Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's draw a master switch with a two-way switch. Master switch with a two-way switch. We have a live terminal and a neutral terminal. Neutral, live terminal. We know very well from a neutral goes direct to the bulb. It goes direct to the bulb. This one is our bulb. This is our bulb. This is a neutral terminal. For a master switch, we are going to use one-way switch, and one-way switch contain common, and the live one is denoted as L1. Now our live terminal go direct to common. This is a live. It's come out as half-life, and here we have a two-way switch, a two-way switch. This is a common, this is a L1 and L2. A two-way switch. Another one, you can place it here, another one here. This is common, L1, L2. Now this is a one-way switch. This is a two-way switch. Let's continue with our connection. From a one-way switch, this one we can call a one-way switch or master switch. One-way switch or master switch. This is a live terminal flowing to a one-way switch. It goes to common, come out as half-life to a two-way switch. This two-way switch, we have common L1, L2. Another one, common L1, L2. L1 is always connected to L2. Always connected to L2, and L2 from this side always connected at L1, and the common is connected to the bulb. These ones are called strappers. These ones are called strappers. You can see this is a neutral from CU, consumer unit goes direct to the bulb, and this is our live terminal, current flowing to our one-way switch or a master switch. It's come out as a half-life. It goes to a common at two-way switch. At two-way switch we have L1 and L2. This side again L1 and L2. Let's assume that our master switch is on, meaning there will be a flow of current. At here two-way switch is on normally at the one point. Let's assume it is at L1. Here let's assume this one was at L1. You see, when our master switch is on, the current will flow to our two-way switch at A, and this one is at B. Two-way switch at A. Assume that this two-way switch is connected to L1, current will flow, and the current will be at here L2. Now we need to press this button to jump to L2. If we press, bulb will light.